you see my sounds on the table? I'm going to play another game with these words. I've got my purple pointer and now I'm going to read the word. I'm going to go sad, sad. And now I'm going to find the sounds that I need to make my word. So I'm going to go sad, sad. Let's see what word we've got next. Next I've got dad, dad. So now I need a dad. Here is my next word. I've got mat. Let's find the sounds we need for mat. Mat. Our next word is sat. So we need sat. And here's our last word. Look, this word's only got 2 sounds. All the others had 1, 2, 3. This one's just got 2. Let's see what they are. We've got at. Let's see if we can find the right sounds. At. Super work. You can play games like this. You don't need the cards. Just ask a grown-up to write the letters on some pieces of paper for you. Write the words and you can have yourself a pointer. You might want to use your mark making ribbon or a magic wand or a magic stick. It's up to you. So have fun with your sounds. See you again soon. Bye.